Hey YouTube, welcome back. If you truly wants to unleash the true power in your Go game and want to enable the joystick and want to teleport anywhere, even spoofing the GPS location, the spoofer is what you truly need. And in this video you are going to see how you can get the working spoofer in 2026, the updated one. And in order to get that, what you need to do is pretty simple. Open up your browser which you are using, could be any, and go to the address bar and type this, the spoofer.com. So guys, make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right place here. And this is the interface, as you can see here guys. Okay, here the live feed, as you can see, and a lot of things over here you can see. Okay, that's modules. Okay, since I'm using the iOS device over here, let me go with the iOS download button over here. And now here I need to enter my trainer ID. In my case, mine is guavaf. Okay, that's my username. Okay, 2020. Okay, let me tap on initialize link, and here it says handshaking with 9-tick authentication, tunnel signature, and other things. Okay, let's go with the flow. And now injection is being prepared for the target user. That's my username and trainer username, and that's my device awaiting human check. Here let me tap on verify to complete. Okay, it has opened up a new page. It says get the Pokemon Go by completing 2 tasks from the list given below. That's actually very easy. What you need to do is pretty simple. Install 2 apps from the given list, and after you install 2 apps, just sign up there using your Google or phone number. After you sign up there, stay on the app minimum for the 30 seconds. Once you stay there for the 30 seconds, you don't have to make any purchase, you don't have to do any activity or participate any task. Just stay there for the 30 seconds and all you are done. And after you done it, you will see the Go spoofer is being installed. And here is, let me show you the preview of this spoofer I'm currently using by enabling the joystick. And here you see joystick has been enabled already, and let me close it and let's see if it is working now. You see guys, I'm here sitting here on my desk, and Ash has been walking around here. You see, that's how you can actually get the walking spoofer. Let me try to increase up the walking speed over here by entering 10 km/h. That's my walking speed guys here. Okay, and now you see that was very easy guys. And here you see. So guys, enjoy the tutorial video and don't forget to write down your feedbacks. Thanks for watching guys.